Always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are doing something a little bit different. So today I want to do a build and review type video. And what we're going to do our build and review type video on is this M2 85 years Mopar A100 panel van. And pretty much what you get in this kind of kit is it looks like a lift of some sort. Your panel van, it's a very nice looking Dodge panel van in black with the 85 years of at your own service decal on the side. I apologize, couldn't read it. And then what else you get in this is a small screwdriver and 2 sets of wheels. So what we're gonna do is unbox this right now and look deeper into what we got. So when it comes to unboxing this, guys, you guys could rip this open, you could unbox it properly, or you can use an X-Acto knife and do what I'm doing here. And if you do use an X-Acto knife, remember, always keep the blade away from you and watch what you're cutting so you don't cut yourself. And funny enough, I wanted to put a video out for you guys this week, and I am grateful that I found this treasure because I was able to do that for y'all, and I didn't think I was going to be able to. Plus, I wanted to try something a little bit different and a little bit more, I don't know, just outside the box. So this is what we are working with. So, like I said, you get your Dodge A100 panel van, which looks very, very cool outside of the package. You get this cool double car lift that is metal. It's not plastic. It's actually metal or die-cast, and it's pretty cool. And then you also get a pair of axles. So you can see here we got 4 axles. So 2 for each set, and like I said, we're going to use those other set of wheels that came in this for a different project that you'll see down the road. And lastly, you got your rims and tires of choice. Like I was saying, there was 2 sets of them, but I went with the more 70s style Challenger rims just because I think it will fit this van perfectly. So the next step, what I want to do is I want to remove the van from its little platform here first, because I think it's going to be a little easier to work with once it is removed. So, alright, so we got our casting removed from its little storage area. So with a closer look at it, there is some cool tampos all over this car. The paint job is pretty nice. It is an M2, of course, and the realistic details is really, really cool in this car. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take one of our little axles that we were provided, and we're going to put a wheel on it. So we're going to grab a tire, and a rim, and we're going to make that fit on there all nice, and we're going to put it on the end of this axle. So let's grab it and let's carefully put it in the little hole maybe. Alright, so we're back again. I think I figured it out. So pretty much what my best advice for these little tires is to grab them both and pretty much just push them together on the axle. And when you get one side to stick in, pull the opposite side of it out so you have a bit of leverage to put onto your casting. So pretty much what it looks like by eyeballing this is that the axles are going to go in these little holes right here. I think you guys can see them. And pretty much you're gonna slide that axle in, and hopefully you get it on the other side, the proper hole on the other side. So let's see if we can get that.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
Alright guys, so after getting frustrated and not figuring out how to put a simple axle on this car, we ended up figuring it out. As you saw, we just took it all apart and we cheated a little bit. So this is our final product. So we got the wheels on the A100. It is a bit slammed, which it looks very, very nice. And yeah, this is it. Guys, I just wanted to do something a little different. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a fun little review. If you guys do see these at your local Walmart or hobby shop, I would definitely recommend on grabbing one. So yeah, because not only you get a cool casting that you could customize some more, you also get a set of wheels for a project that you might need down the road. Guys, thank you very much for stopping by. Before we go, I do want to say I am trying to get a video out a week, if not every 2 weeks. So it might be a review video like this, or it might be a build. It just depends on my schedule. I am at school after all, and it is hard for me to sit down and find some time to build a video like this for you guys or create a car. But I am going to do my best to get more footage out and more videos out for you guys very soon. Thank you for stopping by the fish tank, and thank you for always being here, guys. I wouldn't do this if it wasn't for you guys. I really wouldn't. I apologize. My light went out. My extra lighting went out. So, like I was saying, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this probably anymore. But I like to make sure you guys are entertained, and I like to make sure you guys have the best content possible. So thank you very much, and I look forward to reading your guys' comments and look forward to seeing you guys very, very soon. So, like I said, and like I always say, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.